Now, if you've suffered a dangerous side effect from a medication, you could sue the maker, unless, of course, it's a generic version. 22 News reporter Julie McDonald is working for you tonight with the details of an FDA proposal that would protect patients by making generic drug companies more accountable.
Every year, Americans save billions of dollars on generic drugs at retail pharmacies. They're cheaper alternatives to brand name drugs made with the same active ingredients. Back in 2009, the Supreme Court ruled drug makers had to put health risk warnings on their brand name labels. But generics weren't required to list warnings. They couldn't be sued for a dangerous side effect because generics essentially copy brand name versions. Now the FDA wants to change that.
That way people wouldn't have to check it out. It would be right on the bottle for them. So I think it would be a good idea. I think people would be appreciative that it was on the bottles.
Generic drug makers say it'll increase healthcare costs and cause confusion, but the FDA believes that it'll give patients more power to seek compensation if something bad happens while they're taking a drug, regardless of who made that drug. The differences between brand name and generic drugs are slight, but those differences could affect how it works in your body.
There's so many side effects. You know, you see commercials on TV and, they list all the side effects, cause strokes, cause death, this may cause this may cause that. And I think it's really important for the consumer to know, regardless if it's generic or a non-generic, they should know what they're taking.
Generic drug makers argue it will be complicated for multiple manufacturers to be on the exact same page in updating product safety information. The FDA will continue to listen to feedback until a March deadline. Julie McDonald, 22 News.